It's a beautiful Saturday afternoon on this November the 2nd, 2024, the last day for daylight savings time. I don't like that. Anyway, this is going to be a 2-for-1 update. I haven't updated the Coventry construction for quite some time, so I thought I would fly over there and see what was going on. And it looks like they have quite a few lots that are developed and getting ready to build on and have been built on. So we're flying over to the Open Door Country Store, which is at Mitchell Creek Road, Jackson Road, and Old Ware Road, which is adjacent to the Coventry subdivision and at the corner of the Emerald Mountain subdivision. Brett has developed quite a following over the years down at the Emerald Mountain Country Store down by the toll bridge, and so he is going to build his own. And there you have it. Quite a lot of updates since the last time that I was over here. A lot of the site work done, the roads cut in, it looks like, for the entrances. And it looks like they have the layout for the store. And kind of in the back of that lot there, we'll get down close and give you a look at that. It's looking down towards Mitchell Creek, the road there to the left. And then of course the blacktop road there, that's Old Ware Road. That turns into Jackson Road. And there you see the Coventry subdivision in the upper part of the screen there. It's well developed over the past few years. A great addition to the Redland community. And we're going to get down here a little bit lower and kind of give you a better look at the construction. A little traffic there at that corner right now. And here we are down a little lower to the ground, probably 40 feet off the ground here. You can see the cut in for the driveway there. And we're going to fly over next to the store. Construction is coming right along. Before you know it, they'll be pouring a slab in there, driveways. They took out a few of those trees that were right there at that was on the Old Ware side of the road, and left, I think, just one tree that's right there at the corner of that driveway and right in the center of the screen. Get up a little bit higher view here. We're going to pop up to about 150 feet above the ground. Like I said, there's quite a lot of excavation that's been done there on that corner. I wouldn't think that they would have had to take that much dirt out, but it looks like they sure did. It looks quite different than when I did the video of the groundbreaking on October the 1st. That was only a month ago. Anyway, Brett's going to have quite a little gathering place there. Be able to sit down and have a cup of coffee, visit with your friends, visit with your neighbors. It's going to be a neat place. If it's anything like it was at the Emerald Mountain Country Store, the Open Door Country Store is going to be even better. We're going to head back on over towards Coventry, go by their roundabout. Down to where they're doing a little more construction. This right here has been developed for quite a while, and then on down I see a few new lots that are going to be available. Beautiful looking community. Looks like there's 40 or 50 lots available. Maybe more than that. There's the road that runs in front of the Redland Middle School. We'll have an overview of the whole community from behind the school. I'm going to kind of do a little pan around here. All those houses are within the last year right there on that road. As you can see, like I said, there are quite a few lots available. This is a most desirable community. Wow, what a great view. So I'm a little bit further back, and we're going to swing around behind the school here, and you'll have a picture of the whole neighborhood there, the whole Coventry, with the school in the foreground. Anyway, if you like this video and you like this kind of content, hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button too. It really helps out the channel. And I appreciate all the comments. Thank you so much for watching.